Hello everyone, welcome back to TechAnalysis. Today I'm excited to show you a custom animation that I created on a programmable pixel display. A pixel display is made up of individually controllable LEDs, where each LED acts as a single pixel. By displaying multiple frames in sequence, we can create smooth and eye-catching animations like the one you're watching now. Projects like this are great for learning electronics, programming, and display control. Pixel displays are commonly used in smart clocks, LED signs, gaming projects, decorative lighting, and many other creative applications. If you'd like a full tutorial showing the hardware, code, and step-by-step animation process, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechAnalysis, and turn on notifications for more electronics and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.